take two, isa pa. Louder! Alam kong ready na talaga kayong makita siya at kung nung Feb nga, we were able to get that intense red freshness from close-up. Ngayon naman, we will highlight the close-up cool green version from the lounge, starring Valim, Barbie, and David. So now, tinatawag nyo naman na, wala naman na akong magagawa. Without further ado, let's give it up for our coolest, multi-talented, and super guapong close-up artist. Give it up for Valim!
Take my heart, this is the I'm moving closer to you. Hey, I'm moving close. Is the moment I'm moving closer. Feels like fresh new start. Is the moment closer. Yo. Hello.
Give it up for Valim! Hello, Sir Valim.
Hello po.
Nice to see you again. Hello, mga sisiyo. Sir Valim, mag-hi ka muna sa mga sisiyo na kanina pa naghihintay at nagsisigawan.
Of course, hello Fleet, hello Cecil. Hello sa lahat ng 18 na nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito sa event ng Close Up. And I'm so happy to see you guys here today with us. Kaya maraming salamat. Especially sa third floor, na dito sa third floor, sa second floor, dito sa gilid, dito sa harap ko. Maraming salamat. Love you guys so much.
Yan! Di ba may Jenna tayo dito? Parang nasa concert na tayo agad. Pero Sir Valim, bago tayo mag-start sa mga Q&A natin, mag-hi ka naman sa team bahay natin. Kanina pa sila dyan sa comment section. Sa team bahay. Eto,
Sa mga timbahay dyan, ng mga nanonood, hello sa inyong lahat. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo habang nanonood ngayon. Yan.
yes. At para naman mas fun, mas komportable yung atake natin, Sir Valim, may paupuan ako, umupo tayo.
Okay.
Oo, mag-relax tayo.
Yeah.
Actually, palit daw tayo. Oo, palit
Sige
daw
po.
tayo. Sorry po, parang kinakabahan naman ako bigla dito sa trabaho na to. So, Sir Philip, how are you?
Okay naman ako. Feeling great. Feel happy nandito ako ngayon kasi, you know, it's not always na makapag-perform kami in front of our fans, you know.
Yes, di ba? Ang daming surprises natin sa mga fans natin today. Pero bago natin kausapin ang mga media people natin, nakasama natin today, para sa'yo, Sir Philip, ano ang pinaka-memorable experience mo last Feb, kasi di ba magkakasama tayo ng February, sa Close-Up Red MV Watch Party. Ano yung mga highlight ng Feb event natin for you?
Definitely, yung hindi sobrang memorable yung yung for the first time napanood ko yung music video ng Red version ng Moving Closer, by Close Up. And yeah, isa pa doon yung na-meet ko na-meet ko yung Don Bell, and
Yes.
especially yung fans nila. And pinaka-memorable yung yung 18 na nandun, Flea, Cecil na nandun sila.
Yes, of course. And we're here to make more memories happen. Pero for now, let's talk to our media friends. Let's call on Miss Ali Kalinao from PEP. I think my question siya for Sir Philip. Miss Ali. Hello, Miss Ali.
Hi Ken, my name is Ali from Papag PH. So my question is, how important is smelling good to you when meeting someone for the first time? Do you have a go-to scent?
Sorry po. Ano po yan?
Medyo umi-echo kasi. Oo, medyo umi-echo.
How important is smelling good to you when meeting someone for the first time? Do you have a go-to scent?
Yan. How important daw yung smelling good? Tama po ba, Miss Ali?
Smelling good.
Kapag may namimit ka daw na person for the first time.
Importante siya kasi as an artist, hindi lang bilang artist kahit, you know, and everyday, mo lang, pag may lakad ka, gano'n, it's important to smell good. And nakaka-boost siya ng confidence, especially pag, for example, like, mabango yung breath mo, gano'n,
Yeah.
while talking to people, like meeting new people. So, yeah, it gives so much confidence sa tao. Yeah.
So do you have a go-to scent?
Go-to scent. May
Go-to
scent ka ba?
scent. Pag perfume siguro, mas ako sa fresh kasi mainit kasi sa Pilipinas eh. So, gusto ko yung cool na na scent and fresh lang. Yeah.
Okay, so next question lang. What's your biggest dating mishap or embarrassing moment while trying to impress someone?
Magkakaalaman tayo, Sir Philip. Siya ang nagtanong.
Dating. Meron ba?
Baka naman wala, o di ba? Meron ba? Baka naman wala.
Parang wala eh.
We are happy for you na wala, o di ba? Gusto natin ganyan, walang dating mishap na walang embarrassing moment. Very
Kailangan, you gotta keep your cool, di ba? Ganun dapat always kasi syempre, ayaw mo naman na mamaya ma-disappoint sa'yo yung yung dinidate mo. So as much as possible, you gotta try everything, and you gotta do everything just to, just to impress the girl that you love, or just impress the guy that you like. So, yeah.
Thank you so much, Miss Ali. Parang ako pinagpapawisan sa mga questions dito. Okay.
Pinagpapawisan ka, ako yung pagpapawisan dito.
Ay, kung may pinagpapawisan. Hindi, sa jacket lang yan. Sa jacket lang. Hindi sa tanong, Sir Philip. Okay. Asan po si Sir Christopher Pernell from Philstar. Ayan. Hello, Sir Chris.
Hello po.
Hello. Hey, Philip, good afternoon. Congrats for
Afternoon,
doing
po.
this. So, bilang nasa close-up tayo, in your opinion, how long does it take para isang tao maging close na isa po?
Oh,
Wow.
gaano katagal para masabi mong close mo na? Tama po ba yun? Yes.
Ang hirap.
Napapaisip ka ngayon bigla talaga.
Meron kasi silang tinatawag na yung parang kahit first time nyo palang mag-meet, you feel like, parang comfortable or compatible kayo with each other. And meron ding matagal na magkakilala, they're just, like, kinikilala nila ng mas malalim yung isa't isa. And, yeah, it depends siguro sa it depends sa person. Merong short, and then like, talagang close na sila agad or nagkakagustuhan na sila. Meron ding mas mahaba kasi gusto na lang kilalanin pa yung isa't isa. Yun po.
Thank you so much, Sir Chris. May question
Galing ko
ako.
dun ah.
Anong advice mo sa mga taong gustong maging close sa isang tao?
Advice mo sa mga taong gustong may maging ka-close. Ang sabi ni ate dun sa likod ni Sir Chris, mag-toothbrush with close-up. Ang galing mo dyan, madam.
I think, yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Bibigyan ka na ng time mag-isip. Gusto mo ba mag-isip?
Ang hirap talaga.
Pass.
Yeah, other than smelling good, I think, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, as much as possible, make someone happy, and you know, I know na hindi sa lahat ng oras pagiging happiness yung nandyan. Andun yung struggles na darating, but still, you gotta be there whenever like he or she needs you. So, yeah. Support. Yung support talaga. Tsaka communication always. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sir Chris. Maraming salamat. And now let's move on to Sir Christian Lee. Eccentric yet happy.
I'm Mel from Manila Concert Jockey.
Ay, hello.
Hi,
po.
Bo. Good afternoon.
Kumusta?
Mahirap pa ba yung question ninyo? Hindi naman na.
My question is, given that you are already a talented and skilled individual, do you still intend to learn new skill or hobby? If yes, what are these?
Ulitin po
Ano
natin,
po yun?
madam, kasi grabe yung echo talaga dito eh. Quiet tayo, guys, wait. Okay, madam po.
Given that you are already a talented and skilled individual, do you still intend to learn new skills or hobbies? If yes, ano yun?
Oh, definitely, yeah. You know, every day, yung person talaga, madami pang sobrang daming kailangan matutunan. Even like professional athletes, professional singers, dancers, araw-araw meron pa talagang mga bagong skills na kailangan matutunan. And for me, there are a lot of things that, you know, gusto ko rin matutunan. Especially when meeting new people, especially yung speaking skills ko because I'm not that good with, you know, pakipagsalamuha sa iba't ibang tao. So that's a kind of like skill na gusto kong matutunan talaga.
Thank you so much, madam. Meron pa tayong additional question. Okay, thank you so much to our media people. And eto, may last question ako sa iyo, Sir Felipe.
Yeah.
Talaga. Para namang dito mo'y abunda talaga atake ko dito. So, syempre napag-usapan na natin yung mga cool, fresh, di ba? Yung kilig-kilig natin ngayong araw. Ano naman yung mga bagay na natutunan mo as a close-up endorser na magagamit mo sa life as one of the P-pop kings? Parang pang-pageant yung
You know
tanong
what?
ko.
I learned to smile often. Kasi dito talagang mapipilitan. Di joke lang. Well, you know, it gives so much, you know, warmth pag nag-smile ka talaga. I mean, I learned that so much, but ako kasi, hindi ako yung tipo ng tao na pala-smile eh. Yeah, but, you know, seeing my fans there, nakaka-smile ko kasi, you know, the support, the love, yung warmth ng love na binibigay nila sa'yo. It gives you, ano ba tawag dito?
Very comforting na agad eh. Kapag
Yeah, it's, parang hindi ko siya ma-explain eh. So, di mo pigilan mag-smile ka na lang na parang out of nowhere, parang ano. But, you know, it just means that I'm happy to see them. So, yeah. Smile talaga, yung pag-smile talaga.
Yes, and we are very grateful sa close-up. Sabi nga ni Sir Felipe ay he smiled more often. At gusto natin yan. Pero bago yan, I will have to let you go muna. Kasi ayoko nang iinitan si Sir Felipe, diba? Pero mamaya makakabonding pa natin siya. 18 seasons, palakpakan natin, Sir Felipe. Thank you so much! Thank you so much, Sir Felipe. Ayan, makakasama natin siya maya-maya lang. Okay.